guys, it's Janai. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and start to finish customization video on this wig from DivasWigs. So first of all, this is the box that it comes in. It's a white box with a lid, and it comes in this black satin drawstring bag, and it also comes with a brush and a netted wig cap. So inside the drawstring bag, the wig is in a plastic bag and then again wrapped in this net, and then it has this paper filling on the inside. So it is a full lace wig. It's their Jessica White inspired Brazilian virgin human hair curly full lace wig. This wig starts at $278 and goes up in price depending on how long you want it. This one is 22 inches in the color off black, and the density is 150%. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box before I do anything to it. So I am going to bleach the knots and pluck the hairline just to make it look a little bit more natural. So first, to bleach the knots, I'm going to use some aluminum foil, some Clairol BW2 bleach, 30 volume developer, and a mixing bowl and brush. So I just use the aluminum foil to lay on the table just in case I make a mess. So you only need a little less than a full scoop of the bleach powder, and then you want to add enough developer to make the consistency very thick. You want to make sure that the bleach is thick so that it doesn't bleed through the lace and start to bleach the roots of the hair. So now I'm just going to apply the bleach to the lace where the knots are, and like I said before, you don't want the bleach to bleed through the lace and start to bleach the roots of the hair. So you want to make sure that 1, your bleach is really thick, and 2, that you put it on really lightly so that it only bleaches the knots. You can put the bleach on the back lace too if you want, but I didn't just because I didn't think it was necessary. So once I was finished putting the bleach, I let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I washed it out off camera. So before I plucked the hairline, I decided to blow dry the hair first. So this is what it looks like after I freshly washed it. And yeah, you guys can watch me blow dry the hair. Also, this is just some leave-in conditioner that I'm spraying since I just washed it, and it's human hair, so you can use the same products that you use in your hair on this wig. So when you're plucking the hairline, first of all, you want to thin it out because hair isn't naturally that thick in the front. And 2, you want to make the hairline imperfect because if you just leave it, you can kind of tell that it's not natural because nobody's hairline is just perfect like how wigs come. So you can use tweezers. It's the most precise way to do it, I feel like, but I just think it takes so long. Also, if you kind of just start plucking away, like not in any type of pattern, that's going to make it look the most natural, because like I said, since no hairline is perfect, if you sit there and try and like pluck it a certain way and make it perfect, it's going to defeat the whole purpose. But yeah, so you can use tweezers, but me personally, I use my hands just because I think it's a lot faster and easier to kind of just pull it rather than like sit there all day and pluck it with tweezers. You have to be careful when you use your hands though, because you can create bald spots if you grab too many hairs at one time, which is why tweezers would be recommended, because like I said, it's more precise. But I'm lazy and I just use my hands. So this is what it looks like once I'm done. After you pluck the hairline, you can cut the lace off around where you cut. I don't know why I didn't show me cutting it, but I did cut it after I flat ironed it. So yeah, basically after this step is when you would want to cut the lace. But now I'm just gonna show you guys me flat ironing the wig. I don't know why the wig didn't get as straight as I wanted it to be. Like, I wanted it to be like bone straight, but I don't know if my sections weren't small enough or if my flat iron wasn't hot enough. I don't know what it was, but it didn't get as straight as I was expecting it to be. Maybe it's because the hair is naturally curly, but it did get straight. I'm not gonna sit here and act like it didn't get straight, but it wasn't as straight as I expected it to be. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys me flat ironing it, and I'll have the information on the flat iron that I used in the description box. So this is how it looks once it's finished. Like I said, I forgot to show me cutting the lace. I don't know why, but you could just cut the lace. And yeah, like I said, it didn't straighten as good as I wanted it to straighten, but it did straighten. So I also didn't have time to record an intro and an outro, so I'm just gonna include some pictures at the end of this video for you guys to see. Yeah, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, easy to understand, and if you guys have any questions, just, you know, let me know, comment them, and all the information on this hair and DivasWigs will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, I'm about to include some pictures and videos.